Hi there, I'm Ariana from Crafting Happiness, and I post step-by-step tutorials and crochet patterns for beginners every week here on YouTube. Today I'll show you how to crochet the square half-solid hexagon. These half hexagons are great for filling up the gaps between full hexagons and creating neat edges on your hexagon blankets or any hexagon project. My full solid hexagons have 5 rounds, so the squared half will have 5 rounds as well. You can find a video tutorial for the full solid hexagon on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can easily access the videos later. Let's get started. Start with a magic ring. Then chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. Double crochet inside the ring and chain 2. Make 2 more double crochet. Chain 2 again and 2 double crochet in the same magic ring. Pull the yarn so you will close the magic ring tight, and this is your first row. Turn and chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. Double crochet in the first stitch, then double crochet in the following stitch. Double crochet in a chain 2 space. Chain 2, double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Then double crochet in the following 2 stitches. Now you've reached another chain 2 space, double crochet inside it, chain 2, and double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Double crochet in the following stitch, and now we've reached the last stitch, which is the chain 3 you made from the previous row. Make 2 double crochet stitches at the top of it. And this is your second row. Turn and chain 3. Double crochet in the first stitch and double crochet in the following 3 stitches. Double crochet inside the chain 2 space, chain 2, and double crochet in the same space. Now make 4 double crochet in the following stitches. Double crochet in a chain 2 space again, chain 2, double crochet in the same space. Then make 3 double crochet in the following stitches. Make 2 double crochet in the last stitch. And this is your third row. Turn and chain 3. Then double crochet in the first stitch and in the following 5 stitches. Now you've reached the chain 2 space, double crochet inside it, chain 2, double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Then make 6 double crochet in the following stitches. double crochet in a chain 2 space, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain space. Make 5 double crochet in the following stitches. Two double crochet in the last stitch. And this is your 4th row. Turn and chain 3. Double crochet in the very first stitch and double crochet in the following 7 stitches. Double crochet inside the chain 2 space, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Then make 8 double crochet stitches. Double crochet in a chain 2 space, chain 2 and double crochet in the same chain 2 space. Then make 7 double crochets in the next stitches. 2 double crochet in the very last stitch. And this is your 5th row. To make your squared half hexagon as big as you like, continue with the same pattern by increasing at the beginning and end of each row, double crocheting in each of the stitches and making your corner stitches in the chain 2 spaces by double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. And this is how you crochet the square half solid hexagon. In my next tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet the texture rolling waves pattern, a stitch I used to make the Triceratops baby blanket. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below this video to be notified when the next tutorial is posted. Happy crocheting!